morning. So it is 6:56 in the morning.
Pero kahit minsan ba, hindi yun nalabanan ng isang maliit na
Ay, wala,
boses
ready.
ng takbo na
But I
nagsasabi,
really need to wake up.
"Nakasama
These
na,
are the time
meron na
that
palagi."
I have to put everything together in the morning. So,
Libo-libong
samahan
pangarap
niyo
na
ako. Let's make our party
Pero
to
bakit
get
hanggang
ourselves or
ngayon,
myself
dadalawang
ready
isip ka pa rin
for
na
my
hindi
morning.
mo
To all
Hindi pa
in
rin sapat
together, I'm
kung
gonna put
binabalik sa
2
buong
barley,
bahay.
1 macchiato, 1
Pagkatapos,
black coffee.
taas ang
Why?
iyong noo
Because I
at
know I need
lumakad
coffee this morning.
patungo sa ulo mo
And
ang
if I do the coffee right away, I'm not gonna be able to do my barley. Because I really need my barley first. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna combine them together.
Na pwede maging pagkakabit sa lahat. Iwala sa may kapal. Sa Diyos na
Black
daanan mo
coffee.
sa pagkabit sa tamis mo.
Macchiato.
Matutunan mahalin ang sarili mo upang maiba.
First barley.
Tumabay sa mo. Ay, ito ka na ngayon.
Second barley.
Magbigay pugay sa lahat ng tumulong at hindi nawan
So just stir.
dito sa
And we should be ready to go for
walang
today.
pangako.
Nakaupo na ako. Ready na for training. Ready for my drink. And this is what I do when I don't have enough time and I really need to wake up. Coffee with barley.
Every achievers. I am worldwide.